So this is a video about how trying to draw one character completely threw my life into a spiral and ended up becoming my last painting. Let's do this. It's really hard to concentrate in here. I'm like, have to close all the doors and windows in my room to make sure the volume is okay. And it's just a bloody sauna. I'm sweaty metaphorical balls right now, trying to remember how the story goes. So bear with me. Notes. What are my notes? What do I want to talk about? Started with my housemates, yes. Right. So about a month ago, I decided to paint again because I had like a little art break where I wasn't really painting anything that I was really passionate about. It was just like, just little doodles, little sketches, nothing like I actually put time into. So I was like, okay, I'm in a epidemic lockdown. I can't really do much. Every con I planned for has been cancelled. And, you know, I got all this time. I should be, trying to do something with it. So I sat down and I tried to start painting. Right. And I just thought, I don't know, what's generic painting I could do just to get the ball rolling again. And I was like, oh, random character. That character so happened to be Obito Uchiha from Naruto. Yeah, this is what I made to stop my art block. Oh my god, what the fuck am I saying? So to get rid of my art block, I drew this. Ta-da! It's Obito with the Toby mask, and it's also kind of a skull, because I was like, that's kind of cool, maybe. Or so I thought. Showed one of my housemates, and they said, oh yeah, it's kind of cool. And I was like, and then they were like, I don't know, it's just another Naruto drawing, isn't it? Oh, it's just like, it's always someone in front of something. And then I just had to think about it. I think about it. I had a thought. Something happened in my brain that can only be described as brain activity. Okay? And I asked my other housemate, I was just like, is my artwork just, voice breaking? Like, is my artwork always someone in front of something? And then they were like, yeah. Didn't you know that? And then suddenly it dawned on me. And I started looking for my galleries on DeviantArt. And I was just there like, oh. Have I been living a lie? So naturally, I had a very healthy breakdown on social media for all my friends and family to see. Because, how else do you deal with constructive criticism than posting a bunch of crap? And then I was like, right, back to the drawing board. I'm not going to draw another single thing until I can master relatively good at Obito. So I went to my sketchbook and I drew. I was like, right, let's start again. And then this happened. It was your normal art video with some bit of paint, bit of ink, bit of royalty-free music. And then, I fucked up. Oh my god! Oh jeez! Oh my god! This happened. my second attempt at drawing Obito. I mean, as you can see by the video, I got a bit of green in his face. And it just didn't go well. I bloody hated it. I looked at it and I was just like, all I could think about was my housemate saying something in front of someone in front of something. That was it. Sorry, it's just like, trauma. It's got like the caveman hair, the kind of thick cloven outlines. It just doesn't vibe. And the most thing is, I was like looking at it and as I was drawing, I was just trying to get it done. I was just thinking, let's just get over it. Like, let's just, do it right. And also when you force it, it doesn't work. And one of the main ways I messed up was how I applied gouache. I just layered it too thick, it just looks flat, it just looks a bit crap, really. And then I was just there like, who do I think I am? Like, I'm using a medium gouache, and I don't even know how to execute it properly. Like, it just looks so amateur. I don't believe in gouache. And I went back to the drawing board. I did a few more sketches and I was like, right, I have to get this right. I have to work out a way to do it right, or I'm just going to be haunted by this random character from Naruto, and that's something no artist should say. And so I tried again, and this is how it went.
I don't wanna be caught up inside your self-righteous symphony. I would rather let this go than to bring it up again. But everyone I know, they're afraid of their own skin, with nothing left to show.
here he is. Obito Uchiha. My last painting, according to Facebook. Oh my god, I just shouldered it again. And as you probably noticed, it's still in the watercolour block because I'm scared to cut it out in case I just slice him like the guillotine, you know? I mean, judging by how the last one went, I might have to keep it in here. Or just not use a spatula. In order to film me putting this on the fridge, I need to cut it out, and I forgot that when I said, oh, don't mind me, I'm not going to remove it from this pad. It's probably like the last footage you're going to see the painting not completely ripped. So, in theory, I'm supposed to remove it. Okay, let's try this. No, I shouldn't cut it towards me, should I? Oh, fuck. The first cut. Ooh. Sorry, it's actually going a little well. Oh, for fuck's sake, never mind. Oh, for what?
It's stressing me out.
Could this just fit on the fridge?
No, fucking cut it out.
Oh, look at that. Oh. It's just that easy. Let me guys know what you think in the video below. In the video? Fucking hell. Fucking hell. And yeah, let me know what you think in the videos. Fuck's sake! And yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Do you like this kind of video? I kind of like wanted to make it so you can see the progress, you know, get behind the scenes, you know, the breakdowns, the other breakdowns, the paint, you know, all that good stuff. And yeah, until next time, bye! So what do you think?
That'll do, babe. That'll do.